Rich server, and I'm trading some of my pets, like my parrot. I'm also trading a founder's key and more. Watch till the end to find out what I get. Hi guys, so we're back with another trading video, of course, and I found a really rich server, so I decided to make a video on it because it's really rich, and I like a lot of stuff that I really want is here. They have a lot of owls in this server. You guys can't see any right now, but 3 people in the server have an owl, which is crazy. I offered for each one, but everybody declined, which is great. Ooh, there's a neon pterodactyl. That's crazy. Anyways, guys, so over here we can see one owl walking around. Oh, I don't even know where it just went. I don't know if you guys just saw it come out of the nursery, but I just saw an owl come out of a nursery. And we're gonna offer for a frost dragon, which is crazy because I actually have been trying to get a frost dragon. So today's goal is a frost dragon. Other than that, it could also be a something else. And you guys also want me to do a lot of like trading videos. I think. I don't know if you guys enjoy trading video content or anything, but I'm offering right now, as you guys can see. I offered for this frost dragon, and they declined, so that's great. Savage girl, I don't know if this one was savage girl. I was checking and it wasn't, so I was gonna try to trade this guy this time. And I also saw a neon Cerberus, which I actually really want those too. And I saw another guy over here with a frost dragon. I was like, wow, this is just insane. And it was actually more insane server, guys. You just have to watch to find out to the end. But there's like some insane pets in this server. I was like, wow. And then people were always like, no, thank you, and I was adding, and yeah. There's even a mega neon turtle. I was like, what in the world? So of course I had to trade that guy because mega neon turtles are like so rare and stuff. Like, wow, it's a mega neon out of game legendary pet. If it can get better, then I don't know how. And of course, here's one of the owls from this girl. I think more people had it. They probably left the game or something. And then I saw it go over here with the neon metal ox. I was like, wow, wow, this server is so rich. The problem is with having a lot of legendaries is that you have to keep adding them, and people are always like, no, thank you, and you can't add all the legendaries, which is why I'm thinking of trading them all for like one really good legendary pet or something. I don't really know. See, they keep declining. Like, wow. So I said trading all my legendaries, not the parrot, for a very good offer. So, and that was great. So I was just like trading all my legendaries. Good offer. And I wasn't getting trades. And I got just a trade right now. Oh my goodness. Wait. It's a Mega Neon Kitsune. Oh my goodness. Mega Neon Kitsune. I'm gonna offer my pair, guys. Guys, I want Cupcake back. More than anything, so I'm gonna offer my pair for it. I know I'm under, guys. I'm over, or it's fair trade. I'm not too sure. But I was like, whoa, please. Please. No, please. No. 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 No, I'll add. No, I'll add. Just kits. Like, whoa, guys, I really want it. I was like, please. And when she was already in a trade, I was like, no. Like, I really wanted the mega kit back. Like, really did. Like, how pretty they are. It was just couldn't stand it at all, guys. I was like, please. So I traded her again, and this time I added, cause it was like, oh no, hey kids, please, kids, kid, please. No, you're under? And now she's asking, no. No, you're not gonna offer if you're gonna be so rude. Jeez. Nope. Whatever. I'm actually about to cry though. That's really rude. I'm not even a noob. I don't know what they're trying to say right now. I had a bag of kid before. I don't know why she's calling me a noob now. If I said that, then she wouldn't believe me. I think I'm gonna report that girl. What's her username? I just want something good for this parrot. I don't really want my parrot anymore. Like, I really want to make a kid, but I probably don't want it from that mean person. It's quite rude. Like, I will do like anything for that kitchenette, guys. Will you accept the Mecca? Like, it could just be four neon kitchenettes too, and I'll trade you guys my parrot with ads, guys. I just really want my Mega Kit back, but hers doesn't even look that pretty anyway. Mine's look prettier, I think. I'm just gonna keep going on and I'm gonna ignore that stupid girl. And I'm just gonna be trading my parrots. I don't know how I can be happy from that. She was really mean, but I'll try. I like this author. I was able to decline for them. Nobody else here has a mega kitsune. Except for that one stupid girl. Fine. Guys, I will do literally like anything for this mega kitsune to get it back. Right now, I wish I had a mega shadow so I could flex back on her. Did she trade me? She's not just traded me. Oh, she is. What is your kitsune? I'm gonna keep adding. I'm gonna add a snow owl. Another snow owl. I'm also going to add this. And I'm also going to add this. And why not just add this? Okay, this time I'm just gonna put legendary. So I'm gonna put each legendary I have, and then I can do some duplicates. But this, 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 just the radical at it, this, and this. Okay guys, I'm gonna ask her if she wants a crow instead. She did not say anything in chat. Okay, well, I'm gonna trade for this mega unicorn, and maybe she can accept the mega unicorn for it or something. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. It's hard. Maybe she wants a mega unicorn instead for it, which is totally okay. Cause like I said, I'll do anything. Like, oh, mega unicorn! I never had one before. Plus, let me add. Do you want more for the mega? I don't know who this is that's trading right now. I'm gonna add get hold of my wood. Add a Cerberius. Oopsies. Oops. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Guys, I'm so bad. Like, I can't get anything for anything. Like, I can't trade or anything. People are being mean to me because I did nothing, and it's just not fair. Maybe if I get, like, trading somebody else and telling them to add. Luckily, that person. I'm gonna try to get this owl, and if I don't get it, then I'll just end the trade. I mean, the video. Oh, I need the owl. Please let me offer. Why are you accepting other people's trades, but you're not accepting mine? No, she's telling somebody to add another legendary. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna add quickly. If it stops lagging. Okay, add. And this various. This. And add!